Welcome to Tech Bachhal channel. In today's quick tutorial, we'll show you how to fix VSS Error Code 0 by 8,004,231ff on Windows 11. Let's get started. To get the best match for services, enter the search menu and type in Services. Go ahead and open that. Then, in this list, locate the server that says Volume Shadow Copy. Double-click on it to bring up the Startup Type field. You can choose between manual and automatic. Manual is fine if the server is stopped. If the server is running, we'll choose stop and then restart it, which should hopefully solve the problem. You can also set the startup type to automatic, though I don't think that's necessary. Harm can result from doing so, but either automatically or manually. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.